From the field to the factory to the bottle and finally to your table, this is how ketchup is made.
Millions of bottles, one massive factory.
Every day, this single facility produces ketchup on an unimaginable scale.
What you're about to see is industrial food production at its peak.
These lines never stop moving, not for a second. Precision is everything when millions of units are at stake.
From above, the factory looks like a living machine.
Every movement is tracked, measured, and optimized.
One small error could stop the entire operation.
In just hours, production reaches staggering numbers.
And this is only the beginning. Why does the world consume so much ketchup?
From fast food to home kitchens, ketchup is everywhere.
It's one of the most recognizable and widely used sauces on Earth.
Consumed across continents, cultures, and cuisines.
Its perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory keeps people coming back.
No matter where food is served, ketchup follows.
Supermarkets restock ketchup constantly to keep up with demand.
This massive appetite drives non-stop industrial production.
Day or night, ketchup finds its way onto the plate.
And meeting this demand requires factories that never sleep. Every bottle starts far away from the factory.
Ketchup begins in massive tomato farms built for scale.
These tomatoes are grown specifically for processing, not supermarkets.
Speed is critical to preserve freshness. Once picked, tomatoes are rushed straight to the factory. Every minute counts on the journey from farm to processing plant. The destination is one of the most advanced ketchup facilities in the world. This is where agriculture meets industry. And the transformation begins.
Before cooking begins, every tomato must be cleaned and checked. Fresh tomatoes arrive covered in dust from the fields.
Industrial washers remove dirt, debris, and field residue.
Smart systems instantly detect defects. Water flow carefully controls speed and direction. Only the best produce moves ahead. Now the real transformation begins.
Whole tomatoes are reduced into a smooth base.
Seeds and skins are separated from the pulp.
This pulp forms the foundation of ketchup.
This is where pulp becomes paste. The pulp is moved into large heating vessels. Heat begins removing excess water.
Water is evaporated to intensify flavor.
Temperature and timing are carefully controlled.
The texture becomes richer and denser.
Consistency must remain identical, batch after batch.
Sensors monitor every change in real time.
Only paste meeting strict standards moves forward. Now the base for ketchup is complete.
This is where flavor is created.
The paste enters massive cooking tanks.
Key ingredients are added in precise amounts.
Powerful mixers keep everything perfectly blended.
Heat activates flavor and texture.
Timing and balance determine the final taste.
Every degree is carefully monitored.
Computers watch every second of the process.
The cooking phase is now complete. Next, it's time to move at full speed.
This is where speed takes over.
The bottling line moves faster than the human eye can track.
Each bottle is filled with perfect precision.
Dozens of bottles are filled at the same time. Sealing happens instantly.
Every bottle is checked before moving on. Thousands become millions in just hours.
Even the smallest variation is detected.
This is industrial efficiency at its peak.
And the line never slows down. And the line never slows down.
Labels are applied at incredible speed.
Every bottle is marked for tracking. Machines organize bottles into perfect sets. Packaging protects the product during transport. Robots handle heavy lifting with precision. Every movement is calculated. Speed never compromises accuracy. Entire pallets are built without human hands. Now it's ready to leave the line. Speed means nothing without safety. Quality checks happen at every stage. Texture and consistency are carefully measured. Random samples are pulled from production lines.
Advanced equipment looks for contamination.
Even sealed bottles are inspected.
Balance is critical for preservation. Every batch is digitally tracked.
Safety is built into the process.
Only approved products move forward. The journey doesn't end here. Finished products move into massive storage facilities. Logistics teams prepare shipments around the clock. Every shipment is carefully scheduled.
Products move across cities and countries.
Soon, they arrive where consumers can reach them.
A familiar sight in everyday life.
The final destination is the table.
Millions of meals, one shared sauce.
From factory to table, every bottle tells a story.
If you enjoyed seeing how this is made, support the journey. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you inside the next factory.